Dear manufacturers of pressing tools, the Indian government has issued the Press Tool Punchers Quality Control Order 2020. This order specifies mandatory BIS certification requirements. In today's video, we will discuss the following: the list of products under the QCO, the effective date, product specifications, and how MindSync can help you navigate these requirements. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal, and advisory services. Let's begin by looking into the list of products under QCO. Ellipsis, Indian Standard 4296, Part 1, 2016. Tools for pressing Part 1 round punchers with 60 degrees conical head and straight shank. Indian Standard 4296, Part 2, 2015. Tools for pressing Part 2 punchers with cylindrical head and straight or reduced shank. Indian Standard 4296, Part 3, 2015. Tools for pressing Part 3 round punchers with 60 degrees conical head and reduced shank. Let's discuss the effective dates. The QCO has been in effect since 2021. To sell or manufacture these products, you must obtain BIS certification. Failure to comply with this requirement can result in severe consequences, including substantial financial penalties and possible imprisonment. Now let's move to the product specifications. First, Indian Standard 4296, Tools for Pressing Part 1. This Indian standard specifies the basic dimensions in millimeters of round punchers with a 60 degrees conical head and straight shank in the diameter range of 0.5 to 15 millimeters. It provides examples of materials and hardness and specifies the designation of punchers according to this standard. The main use of punchers, as defined in this international standard, is for punching holes in steel sheets. They may also be used for punching holes in other materials. Now let's look into the use of the tool. One notable type of punching instrument is the round punch, characterized by its cylindrical or circular shape at the striking end. These punchers are crucial in various industries and crafts for operations that demand consistent, high-quality results, as they enable controlled and precise punching. Round punchers are widely used across multiple materials, including metal, wood, leather, polymers, and more, to create accurate and uniform holes, imprints, or shapes. Next standard is 4296 Part 2 Cylindrical Head and Straight or Reduced Shank. This Indian standard specifies the basic dimensions and tolerances, in millimeters, of cylindrical head punchers with a reduced shank. Cylindrical head punchers with a reduced shank are standardized in round, oblong, square, and rectangular shapes. It provides examples of materials and their hardness and specifies the designation of punchers in accordance with this international standard. These punchers are available with shank diameters, ranging from 5 mm to 32 mm. The primary use of the punchers specified in this international standard is for punching holes in steel sheets. They may also be used for punching holes in other materials. Now let's look into its use. Punchers are versatile hand tools or machines used to create holes, imprints, or indentations in various materials. Common configurations include round, oblong, square, and rectangular forms, featuring reduced shanks and cylindrical heads. These instruments are indispensable in professions and industries where control, accessibility, and precision are crucial. They are widely employed in diverse sectors such as jewelry manufacturing, woodworking, leatherworking, and metallurgy. Our final standard is 4296 Part 3 Conical Head and Reduced Shank. This Indian standard lays down the basic dimensions and tolerances, in millimeters, for round punchers with a cylindrical head and straight shank in the diameter range of 1 to 32 millimeters. It provides examples of materials and hardness and specifies the designation of punchers according to this international standard. The primary use of the punchers defined in this Indian standard is for punching holes in steel sheets. They may also be used for punching holes in other materials. Now let's move to its uses. Round punchers are cylindrical tools designed for shaping, perforating, and cutting holes in various materials. They feature either pointed or rounded tips. The conical heads and shorter shanks of these tools are essential for ensuring accuracy, adaptability, and a refined finish. Round punches are highly valued for their ability to create precise, tapered holes and indentations across a range of materials, making them indispensable for tasks requiring precision and control. They are widely used in numerous fields and applications, such as paper crafts, leatherworking, and metallurgy. Now, you might be wondering, how can MindSync assist me in this process? Well, here's the answer. At MindSync, we understand that navigating the certification process can be complex and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We're here to support you throughout the entire certification journey, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Our team is well versed in the intricacies of BIS certification, and we are committed to making the process hassle-free for you. Partnering with MindSync means you have a dedicated ally, guiding you from documentation to the final grant of certification. We prioritize your success and adherence to quality standards. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner to streamline your BIS certification journey, look no further than MindSync.